diving service here. I have that clothing optional. It is October 23rd. I'm going to swim back the port side and show you the through holes. I've got individual pictures of through holes as well. There's two blisters on this side of the hull. They're not very big. I'm not terribly concerned about them, but they are there. This side, the port side, is missing a trim tab, but all the through holes appear to be in good shape, bonded well to the hull, and all of the struts, the bolts are in good shape. The heads are not rounded or eroded off.